Mihlali Ndamase respond to Musa kwawula. Now it is getting personal. Kesana. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Mihlali Ndamase respond to Musa kwawula with a long message explaining who she is, where she come from. So Musa kwawula made a post recently about Mihlali Ndamase's mom and stepfather, guys, and we know that Mihlali Ndamase, you don't talk about her mom like that. Anyway, Mihlali Ndamase tagged Musa. This is what she wrote on her story time, responding to Musa kwawula. And for those other bloggers, they don't know who Mihlali Ndamase. Now you know who is Mihlali Ndamase. This is what Mihlali Ndamase wrote. I'm not in a business of explaining myself. I'm responding to the BS even when the false narrative is being pushed because I know my truth. My work speaks for itself. But the moment you start attacking my loved ones, it's a personal. Musa kwawula is getting personal. Like Esana, she continues saying this. I signed up for this, but my family didn't. The least you can do is leave my parents out of my mess. Clearly, it's not about blogging anymore. It's personal. Musa kwawula, let me educate you and others since you lack information on who I am, where I come from. With all due respect, since you are giving men too much credit, cars being exposed to luxury since birth, I was dropped off and picked up from school in Mercedes-Benz. From primary, my first car was a Mercedes. My mom bought me a luxury car at the age of 22 years old. I've never expected a hand-me-down because I never needed to. Zikhona imoto ekhaya. Money. I started working at 20. I never been faced by what a partner can offer me. Hence why my 7 years later lower life like you feel the need to use my name to gain relevance. She continued by saying this. Don't be disrespectfully. That will not guarantee you a long life. Leave my family out of it. I know your poor attempt at destroying failed, and I'm sorry about that, but at least try to find a better strategy without dragging my family into it. From successful brand strategy, I suggest you find a sustainable way to establish yourself because all this will further away. She continues saying, free advice from a successful brand. Do with it as you wish. She continued by saying, this is her last message. I try to handle everything with so much grace, but ndiyatakeliwa nami. I'm driving, so a car, dating, BC, financial gain like you haven't seen me build from the group up on my platform. From blogging in a cottage to a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and then a house. Anyway, this is the first and the last time I give fools free airtime on my platform because my rate aren't cheap. As a mother will say, dogs do not bark at the stationary car, they piss on it. So long as you are progressing in life will bark. Anyway, this is what Mihlali Ndamase wrote to Musa kwawula, guys. So for those who don't know, now you know who is Mihlali Ndamase. At the age of 22, she was picked. At the age of 22, her mom bought her first car. I know some of you might think Mihlali Ndamase's mom does not have money, honey. Mihlali Ndamase, probably she's rich than you think you see on social media, guys. Don't judge book by its cover. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like.